Hello guys, so let's check out the problem Xxoorr in July challenge 2021. So in this July challenge, this is the first problem, and this is the given question. There are n numbers and we have to make each of the numbers 0, and we can choose an integer p which is a power of 2 and k indices from the array A. They can be any indices, they may not be adjacent indices. You can pick any k indices and then x for each of the indices with 2 to the power p. And after doing this XOR, we have to say how many these operations we will take to make all the n numbers as 0. So this is the main problem, and the constraints are test case range between 1 to 10 to the power 5, nk range between 1 to 10 to the power 5, and a range from 0 to 10 to the power 9. Okay, these are the constraints, and this is sample example. You can check out the sample example. So let's try to submit this solution. I have already written the code. Okay, I have written the code actually, so you need to purchase the solution from me if you want. I have written the code in Python. Let's try to submit it. Okay. It is in queued current status right now. Got accepted. 1.377 seconds. Okay. So if you want to purchase this solution in Python, you can contact me. In the description I have given my WhatsApp number and my email ID. You can contact me there. I charge only 100 rupees per solution. Okay, rupees 100 per solution, or you can say around $2 per solution. You can contact me if you want the solution. Thank you.